Okay, so I'm gonna go play my RC car. Okay, guys, because my dad's friend gave me an RC car for a late birthday present. There it is, right there. Haven't seen Ethan in a long time, right? Say hi.
Hi. You go outside?
Yeah.
Want Ethan?
Okay. You should go outside too.
Yeah.
Okay,
Where's
bet.
my shoe?
Tell mommy. Go to mommy. Bring car too. To mommy.
Huh?
Yeah, mommy help you and mommy give Ethan shoe. Play. And tell mommy turn it on. Oh my gosh. It's hard to hold my iPad and my RC car and the controller.
I turn it in myself.
Okay. Okay. Let me flip my camera. Okay. So here is the RC car. You need to turn it on. The remote controller is blinking. I mean, it's good. Turn on the RC car. It has these lights. You could go off-roading, go in the mud, in the grass, even though if the grass is wet. It gets really dirty though. And you could drive it on the rocks. It makes like these cool sounds. It's really noisy, but you could drive on rocks. It won't really flip. This could plug into a USB plug thingy. It's like a plug thingy. So, but sometimes it falls down, so you have to screw it off and put it back in. That's the most annoying part about this. But let's bring the RC car here so you could see it. Can't really see it, but I can't zoom in. But so it's the RC car. Really cool. It's like a truck. Alright, let's go to the rocks and show you guys. Okay, there we go. I flipped my camera. Okay. So, bring it to the rocks. Ethan, wait for you here, okay? Show video. You here film video. YouTube video. Stop it, I need to. Ethan, stop it, I need to do this. You here film YouTube video.
I need to do it?
No. I go here. Okay? This is hard to film while doing this. Okay. That's Ethan's old car. It's Hulk. He likes the Avengers. Okay. Get out. Oh my gosh. Okay. Ethan, no. Don't come with Hulk. Okay, we're on the rocks. So it's going down. And you could dry to see the grass is pretty wet. It rained last night. So it is confirmed it can drive on the grass and the mud thingy. See, Ethan, it don't work. And look, it does confirm driving up and down.
You have magic?
Yeah.
Do magic for me?
No, this one no have magic. This one truck. See, you could.
This one Hulk. Hulk.
Stop it, Ethan. So this one you could drive it on the grass too, flat floor. You go up, and this one you could drive on the rocks. See, it doesn't flip over. It could tow like 10 what is it called? 10 like what is it called? The tiny cars thingy, Hot Wheels.
Cars.
Yeah. You could drive. It could tow about maybe 20 or 10 or 15 maybe. It does flip over. So. Okay. The sun just went down quickly right now. The sun went down quickly right now.
Yeah.
Now it's getting windy. It's supposed to be sunny. Okay. So we got the car. Oh my gosh. And for my birthday I got some Robux. Premium. Yeah, I was just joking. I didn't get it for free. How would I get it for free? If I got it for free, I could have did it right away. Because then I wanted to do it right away. But nope. I can't do that. I'm not magic. Oh my gosh. So these things, they're really hard to control for me because it's pretty confusing. The forward is, look, let's get to it. So like, because forward right here is backwards, and then backwards is forwards, and then here I'll show you guys. This would be more better if I just did this. So forward is backwards, and then backwards is forwards, and then this side this turning this wheel, you do it, this is right, and then if you go back it's left. So it's like pretty hard to control because it's pretty confusing. I like washing the tires because it does get really dirty. I really want to go in the front yard and show you guys how to use them. There's no battery.
Yeah, and no spin.
Let me see. No, just wait. Let me show you. Look. Just wait. Look.
Let's go that way.
No, this one goes that way. And this one. Okay, so there we go. We got the car. Let's have some fun with this. I haven't played RC cars in a long time. So just wait. I'll be right back, guys. Hey guys, we're back.
For me.
Hold iPad.
I hold this for you here.
Okay. Why you can't hold Hulk? Because this one is more heavy. This one more heavy. This one more heavy, Ethan.
Yeah.
Okay.
The whole heavy.
Okay. Let's open the door.
Okay.
Just get down.
Okay, let's go in the lot.
Okay. Let's go, guys. Here, hold this, Ethan.
Okay. I hold.
No. Give me that truck. Give me truck real quick. I need to show YouTube. You good?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's go down.
Okay, let's go.
Be careful, Ethan. We're going down here. Okay. Okay, there we go. We got the cars. We got the cars. Ethan, okay? Stay here, Ethan. Be careful, okay? Because I'm going down here. Okay, watch you here, okay? And then when you hear come down, I tell Ethan come, and then Ethan come down, okay?
It's the one over here.
Okay, you play right there. I need to do something.
No. For me. Hey, Sor, come for me. For me. For me. For me.
Help me.
Okay, I have you. There you go.
Okay, I'm going down, okay?
Next man,
Uh-huh. Okay, I'm going, guys, in 3, 2, 1. It's pretty sunny in the front yard. So here's the car goes in the road, in the roads. Okay, here we go. The car is going in the road. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna turn it. Okay, so guys, this thing is a monster. It's really cool. Got the light, so you could actually ride this in the dark. Maybe next video I'm gonna film a video in the dark because I want to test out the lights and I'll test it out in the backyard when it's like 5 or 4 p.m. We could test it out in the backyard. And yeah. Goodbye, guys.